Howdy. Thanks for taking a few minutes to come watch the video. So, life insurance, just in general. Whether you're just curious or you're seriously considering, I'm here to break down some of the basics to help you figure out the right coverage for your needs. So, life insurance. In its simplest form, is a contract. You pay a premium, and in return, the life insurance promises to pay a certain amount to your loved ones in the event of an unexpected death or disability. Now, there are two types of main insurance that you should know about. There's term and there's whole life. Let's think of term as like renting a house. You're covered for a certain period of time. Maybe it's 10 years, maybe it's 15, 20, 30 years. It depends on the time frame. Then there's a payout. So you're renting that insurance for it. So usually you can get a higher amount of coverage for a lower price. Then we have whole life. Whole life is like buying a house or some other type of investment. It's a lifelong coverage. And sometimes most often it comes with the cash value that grows with time, just like an asset would. But sometimes it's a higher cost because you're owning it for your entire life. The insurance company wants to know how long you're going to live and go to that point. All right, so how do you figure out how much coverage you need? Let's start by thinking about your current financial responsibilities. Do you have any debts? Do you have a mortgage? Maybe your kids' education, maybe they're in private school. You have a car, your cars, everything you can think of. Those are the things that your loved ones still have to pay for if you're not around. So write those down and figure out exactly how much everything is. But it's not just for you. What might they need in 5, 10, 20 years? But remember, we have inflation. The cost of living will likely rise. So a common rule of thumb is consider getting a coverage at a minimum about worth 5 to 10 times your annual income if you can afford it. Look, life insurance is really about the peace of mind. Making sure that if the life throws you a curveball, the people you love will be okay financially. We always say don't make a huge financial decision while you're in grief. So why would you want your loved one or everybody else to really have to worry about going back to work or going to deal with it, go on to do a GoFundMe when you really have it? So we consider that leaving something financially covered for your family. If you guys have any other main concerns, main objections, or anything you want to know, just let me know quickly. Thank you for spending time with me. If you're thinking about life insurance, talk to a professional, ask questions, make sure you're best informed. Take care, and I hope to chat with you again. Link in the bio to schedule a consultation.